Cooking with Gaspar. Today I will do northern bean with vegetable, diced vegetable. I have the mise en place already here. And I do a roasted chicken thigh. So let's start. I'm cooking the beans. What you need to do first when you put the dried beans in the water when they boil up, you change the water on and put another water on, and then you start to cooking. As you can see it's halfway done. So I'm adding my vegetables, all what I have. Celery, diced red pepper, onion, carrot, and I have a little tomato sauce, Hunt's tomato sauce. And yeah, now you just leave it slowly, cover it halfway in a La Creuset pot, whatever you have, and just slowly let them cook. So I want to tell you, all the ingredients, what you see here, I bought Central Market, but you can buy it in Tom Tom or Kroger, anywhere you can buy it. And then I have left here, the last minute I will add a little bit overlapped kale, a couple of days ago what I have, and I will add a little bit fresh thyme, a little bit, then we take it out after, and then I need to add bay leaves. I will add 2 bay leaves, very important. So the 2 bay leaves. So that's it, and we're done now, and we just cook it slowly. On the same time, we do the chicken thighs, roast it up and put it in the oven. I'll be right back. I seared up the chicken thighs, olive oil in saute pan. Make sure it's hot. Here I have my chicken thighs again. It's marinated. It's a little bit different. I just use garlic, salt, pepper, and fresh herbs. I'll be right back. So my pan is hot, and I seared up my 2 chicken thigh. Make sure I like to have also with them skin on, but they don't have it. Add a little bit more fresh herbs. I have fresh rosemary here. Add it up to the pan. Little fresh thyme. They will be burning, look like a burning, but that's what you really need to have, that fresh herb a little bit burning to give the flavor to the oil. As you can see it, few minutes, not even maybe a minute, minute and a half each side. You turn it on the side. Sear it more. Add a little bit butter to the pan. I just put the water on the so they're coming out nice. Okay, I'll be right back. Now we put it in oven. It will take about a good 20 minutes in oven. And we roast it up. Turn up there. I'll be right back. Okay, the bean is cooking. All the vegetable inside. And then we make a light roux to bind it, to thicken it up. Or if you don't want to do roux, you can use cornstarch, a little bit, mix it up with the water. They call this slurry. In Chinese word, the Chinese use slurry all the time. So I'll be right back. So the last thing what I add my kale. Instead, you can use chopped parsley if you don't have kale, but I have kale in my refrigeration, so I want to use it up. You don't need too much to cook it, just boiling up a little bit. And what I like to do, last minute, I add a little bit Hungarian paprika. Just a little bit for the taste. And now I make my slurry. I'll be right back. Making my slurry, you can, what I told you before, I have a half cup of cold water, and I do 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it together. Make sure there is no lump. You see that? There's no lump inside. I don't think so. I need more. So now you slowly add it to the bean, and you will see how much you need. Don't add it on once. You might not need it all. Mix it up. You see, really don't need it all. Just needed half what I made. Maybe just a little bit add. Maybe I need it all. I don't think so. Okay, the slur. Yeah, it's perfect. And I will test it now. What we need. I need a little bit salt. I have my salt here. My seasoned salt. And also, if you like, you can put a little bacon inside last minute like that, melt it out, the bacon. Or you can add it to flavor and give you a little smoky flavor. So as you can see, it's beautiful. So we check it out now, our chicken, and I will be right back. So now I'm serving the dish. The bean is ready. I have a serving bowl. You can put a little bit more. I'm taking out the chicken. Chicken is wonderfully roasted. Put it on the top of the bean. Make sure there's a little bit turning around to give it a little glaze. I don't know which one will be better. I think so that's a good one. It's hot. Okay. The bean is ready. So I finished a little bit, add a little bit fresh herb on top. And that is my dish for today. Northern bean with vegetable on kale on pan roasted chicken thigh. Hopefully you enjoy the recipe and see you next time.